Welcome to Arduino tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to work with LCD display. Here is the project diagram. With this project I'll show you how to display text on character LCD panel. Now we are going to connect all those parts on a breadboard according to this diagram. For this project we are using Arduino Nano board. You can use any other board, and a LCD panel. It is a character LCD display. We need two more parts. One is 220 ohms resistance, another is 10k variable resistance. 10k variable resistance will be used for adjustment of brightness of LCD display. After placement of all parts, it will look like this image. Open your Arduino IDE, then go to File, Examples. Under Liquid Crystal you will find the Hello World project. Open it. All code is here. Upload the project to your Arduino board and see the result. Here you are watching Hello World in the first line, and in second line you are watching a counter is counting on. This is the project, and I think you have understand the LCD display function. I suggest you to test all project under File, Examples, Liquid Crystal, and examine the codes carefully. It will help you to understand functionalities of LCD display. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.